Transform your photos into perfect circles for profile pictures, icons, and more with this simple Photoshop technique. First, open Adobe Photoshop and place the image you want to transform into a circle into your document. If your image is locked, double-click the background layer to convert it into a regular layer. Next, select the Elliptical Marquee tool from the toolbar. It looks like an oval selection. If you don't see it, click and hold on the rectangular Marquee tool until the options appear and select the Elliptical Marquee tool. Now, click and drag on your image to create a circular selection. To ensure it's a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key. As you drag, you'll see the marching ants form a flawless circle around your subject. With your circular selection active, click the Quick Mask Mode button, usually found at the bottom of the toolbar. This turns your selection into a red mask overlay. Now, you need to invert this mask to keep the circle and discard everything else. Go to the Select menu at the top, then choose Inverse. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Shift+I on Mac. With the outer portions of your image now selected, click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This icon looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. And there you have it. Your image is now a perfect circle. You can move it around your canvas, resize it, or even add a stroke for a decorative border. This method is fantastic for creating professional profile pictures, website icons, or any design element that requires a clean, circular shape.